Hello everyone. So I'm at the Nature's Basket today and I'm part of a cookathon organized by Nature's Basket in collaboration with Traveldine. Come, I'll show you some ingredients which I'm going to pick up today. Yes, so this is the dark chocolate which we are going to use today, and we are going to of course coat the wafers with this. Well, we have to look for the wafers now. Oh yeah, so let me pick 3 of them. Why 3 of them? So we are going to make it in different ways. Maybe we will use white chocolate, maybe we will make it healthy with multi-seeds. Now I'm looking for multi-seeds here. So here we go. The healthy roasted mixed seed packet. I think this will do, and let me take you to my station where I'm going to make the recipe today. We just finished our shopping at the Nature's Basket and now we are ready to make our recipe. So what I'm making today is chocolate wafers, and yes, while making the recipe I will be telling you that if the wafers are not available, what other things can be used. So let's start rolling it. Here as you remember, I picked these wafers. So we are first going to open and keep them in a clean bowl. If you don't have these wafers, you can use any cookies, any dense cookies, not the cream based ones. If you don't have the cookies, you can also use the fresh fruits, and like strawberries because it's seasonal, and of course a very Christmas color. I am using these wafers because I feel this is something which is very kid friendly. Christmas is the time when everyone wants to treat their loved ones, you know, something special. So let's start rolling this now, and I am going to heat some water here. You can also heat your chocolate in the microwave, but we will avoid using microwave, especially I do. I don't prefer using microwave, but as I said, that is something which you can do quickly. Once the water starts heating, we will add the dark chocolate. Now we are using, again, I'll show you. I am using this dark chocolate which has 55% of cocoa. In case you don't want to use any dense chocolate, you can use a basic chocolate bar which has a lesser amount of cocoa. So now this process is called double filter. We never directly heat the chocolate because the chocolate can get burnt. So there is water and then there is chocolate. This requires a lot of love and patience. So it will take its own time. All you have to do, you have to keep on stirring till it reaches the melting point. So we'll wait for another 10 minutes. So guys, I got this lovely hamper from Nature's Basket. Well, it's a one-stop shop, as you can see, for your daily cooking, for your gourmet cooking, for your bakes, for your roast, for anything. So you guys must come and shop over at Nature's Basket. As you can see, the chocolate has melted now. So just remember to remove this from the pan and keep it aside. Never do this procedure directly because you will end up burning your hands. Now as you can see, it's a very smooth texture. There are no lumps in it. That's how it should look once it's melt. Now we will take the wafers and we'll start dipping. I am using gloves because I prefer hygiene. I also suggest whoever makes such things where your hands are involved, I feel you know, wearing gloves is important, because when we are cooking or baking or doing anything for someone with love, I think this is also a part of it. I hope all of you agree with that. So we will let it cool down. In case you don't have a rack, you can use a parchment paper or a butter paper, which is easily available in any shop where you get the bakery materials. So don't worry looking at the equipment that there is a rack here and how will you make this recipe if there is no rack available. Even a normal plate at home will do. It's just that you have to have patience so that the chocolate comes to the room temperature, and then just coming up to the second part after this, where we can add any kind of toppings of our own choice. I have selected some colorful toppings for this since it's Christmas time. So I have chopped some strawberries, season time. So I am going to use some red and green color since it's Christmas. You can do any color. Maybe you can put your kids on a task by asking them what is their favorite colors, and then accordingly you can make for them. You can use any other fruits. I have used strawberries. Maybe apple, a green apple tastes very nice with the chocolate. Bananas won't do because that won't taste that well with this. Even orange zest can do magic on top of this. See how beautiful they look. Now we can sprinkle some mixed seeds, which of course we bought from Nature's Basket. Oh my god, ask me how handy Nature's Basket is for me. I have to come here for my shopping as a chef. It's one of my favorite grocery store. You get everything so handy, from any gourmet to any Indian ingredients. It's easily available. See how beautiful they look. Now I'm going to add a little bit of green to give it that Christmas look. Now, I'm sure many of you won't be able to do this, but still, if you feel like giving a better touch, you can use this cone also. Now, I have done the same procedure of what I did with the brown chocolate. You just need to melt the white chocolate, and you need to take a cone and then cut it and do this what I'm doing at the moment. Now I have some strawberries here in case you don't have any wafers at home, just to show you that how you can even do the same with fruits and surprise your guests. So what I usually do is that I do this with strawberries and I serve it with nice ice cream, seasonal ice creams. You get so many nice sorbets in market. So these are good ideas for your plating during Christmas. It was wonderful to be a part of Nature's Basket Cookathon in collaboration with Travel Dine. I wish you a Merry Christmas. See you on the other side.